exercise and diet to look good naked, right? Remember that? Now I have to do that just to stay alive. They're serious about that at the doctor's office, right? They are. They talk to you about your levels and stuff, and they're like, oh, you just diet and exercise like it's such a simple thing, you know? No, Missy, you don't have to do a lot. Just go outside, take a walk, enjoy nature. I'm like, oh, I hate nature. I like the idea of nature. I don't like it when nature gets on me. But if being in nature has taught me anything about myself, it's that if I'm ever forced to choose between being a hunter or a gatherer, I am going to be the village whore. She just gets to lay there, you know. Don't have to talk to anybody. Better game, definitely better game. I did give it a try though. I did give the exercise a try. Like I pulled out my old sports bra, the only one that I hadn't Marie Kondo'd out of the house, you know. Doesn't bring me joy, but I kept it. Right? Wrestling into this thing, I'm like sweating and panting, and my Fitbit's yelling, abort! 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 And I get it on, and I got one arm pinned above my head, one boob sticking out of my armpit. And it's laughing at me. What sport are we gonna play? We going to putt-putt again? You know? Man. Then I rolled into some yoga pants. Those are cute, right? 23? Those are cute. I looked in the mirror and I was like, huh. I wonder if a camel ever does lift up its paw. Does that look like a... It does.